Sing Jayarada. Now automatically those who Facebook and don't have to do anything. All the copy. In this now, Shidra. In this, there is an option. Custom live streaming. One button. So much time, half an hour. Jai Radha Madhova Kunja Vihari Gopi Janavallabha Giridharadhari Yashodhanandana Sutanara Yamunatira Vanata Jayo Radha Madhova Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudhiraye Nashya Prayashu Vadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naistiki. What is the shloka today? 8. Always this should never be. This mark also. So welcome everybody on live 10 chapter 4 and shloka number 30. Shloka 30. Akarna bharturgaditam tam uchuhu deva sat shatravaha devan pratikritamasha Daiteyanati Kovidaha Akarnya Bhartagaditam Tam Uchuhu Devas Shatravaha Devan Pratikritamasa Daiteyanati Kovidaha Akarnya Bharturgaditam Tamocho Deva Shatravaha Devan Pratikritamrsha Daityanatiko Vidaha. Akanya, after hearing Bharatuhu of their master, Gaditam, the words or statement, Tamuchuhu, replied, replied to him, Deva Shatravaha, all the asuras, who were enemies of the demigods, Devan, the demigod, Prati, toward Kritamarshaha, were anxious, Deteyaha, the asuras, Na, not Atiko Vidaha, who were very expert in executing transactions. After hearing the master's statement, the envious asuras, who were enemies of the demigods, who were not very expert in their dealing, advice comes as follows. After hearing the master's statement, the envious asuras, who were enemies of the demigod, are not very expert in their dealing. Advice comes as follows. There are two different types of men, the asuras and the suras. Da bhuta sarugaloke asmin deve asura evacha Vishnu bhakta smrito deva asura tadaviparyayaha Padma Puran. Those are devotees of Lord Vishnu are Krishna. Suras, Deva, those who are opposed to the devotees are called asuras. Devotees are expert in all transactions. Yasyasa bhakti bhagavati akinchana sarvai gune tatra samasate suraha. Therefore, they are called Kovida, which means expert. Asuras, however, although superficially so expertise in passion activities, are actually all fools. They're neither sober nor expert. Whatever they do is imperfect. Mogasha moga karmanam. According to discussion, Asuras given in Bhagavad Gita 9:12, whatever they do will ultimately baffle. It was such persons the advice comes up because they were his chief friends and ministers. Om Jnana-timirandasya Jnananjana-shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishnaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshai Sai Shunyavadi Pashad Deshutarini Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Akarnyabhartu Gaditam Tamocho Deva Shatravaha Devan Pratikritamrsha Daityanatiko Vidaha. After hearing the master's statement, the envious asuras, who were enemies of the demigod, were not very expert in their dealing. Advice comes as follows. advising comes on. So many times people say they want to go do good. But before doing good, we should know what is good. सब लोग इस दुनिया में कुछ अच्छा करना चाहते हैं, पर अच्छा करने से पहले उनको मालूम होना चाहिए अच्छा क्या है. Everybody in this world wants to give advice. Before giving advice, they should be competent to give advice. Everybody in this world wants to help other people. Before helping other people, you should know what is actually good. And you should be powerful enough to help somebody. People are seeking direction. People are seeking guidance. People are seeking education, enlightenment. But before doing that, you should know now. Suppose I got fever and I come to you. You should know what to do. Otherwise say, please, honestly, I don't know. Correct? Suppose somebody comes to you. I want to know how this mobile is made. If you don't know, you should be truthful. I don't know. Truthful. But in this world, everybody wants to take the role like Krishna. Arjuna went to Krishna. I don't know what to do, Krishna. Can you tell me? Krishna says, yes, I'll tell you. The Supreme Lord. You want to take, all of us have come to imitate the Lord in this world. Therefore, what do? We imitate Krishna. Yeah, I'll give you advice. Yes, I know what is good. Yes, I'll help you. You want to take that role. Yes, I will give you shelter. We see that also. You cannot do anything. Neither you can give shelter to anybody. You yourself are in trouble. हम लोगों को शरण देना चाहते हैं. अरे हम ही खुद, हमारा कुछ गारंटी नहीं है ना. कोई आए, आप शरण दे, हाँ आ जाओ. हमारा ही कुछ कैपेसिटी नहीं, हमारा ही कोई गारंटी नहीं. क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग? कोई आत्मा आता है, पूछता है मेरे को कुछ बताइए. हाँ, अरे जब आता नहीं है तो चुप रहना, क्यों बोलता है? लोग, so this is not easy actually. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, यारे देखो तारे कहो कृष्ण उपदेश, अमार आज्ञा गुरु भाव तारा ऐ देश. यारे देखो तारे कहो कृष्ण उपदेश. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, मेरी आज्ञा से प्रचार करो, लेकिन मेरे वचन को, कृष्ण के वचन को रिपीट करो. यारे देखो तारे कहो कृष्ण उपदेश. Repeat the words of Krishna. You cannot speak anything on your own. It may be wrong. And then you spoil somebody's life. Suppose you give a wrong direction based on your imagination and somebody follows that, you spoil somebody's life. Just like a doctor, you give a wrong medicine. You should be very careful. So the condition is, yes, you can, but only repeat the words of Krishna. Yare dekho tare kaho Krishna upadesha. Isn't it? So nice. Okay. So this is beauty of Krishna consciousness, that everybody is getting an opportunity to preach, but he should, two things he should be very truthful with. Number one, he should only repeat the words of Krishna. Number two, he should speak on the platform of his realization. He should not say, you know what happened? I felt Krishna came in front of me. He should not be, he should be truthful. He should not speak more than his level. Otherwise, other people should not estimate you more than what you are. Say, I can tell you this, I can repeat what Shastra says, that, you know, Krishna's bodily odor is so sweet. Krishna's, everything about Krishna is wonderful. If you smell Krishna's body, you will faint. Everything about Krishna is unimaginable. You hear about Krishna, everything is exciting. Correct? Krishna's flute, if you hear, you'll faint. An unimaginable spiritual ecstasy. If you see Krishna, you'll be faint. So everything, including you smell Krishna. Our bodily odor stinks. And we are so proud of the body. Devatas, when they look at human beings, they stink. They don't go near human beings. For them, human life is a curse. Like what we say? We say, no, animal, janwar hai kya? We say, Devatas say, when they want to curse somebody, they say, Manushya. That's an insult. Manushya. I don't know. And we are so proud. I'm Manushya. Stinking bodies we have. And we are so proud of these nonsense bodies. Keep looking in the mirror. Aren't you aware this is stinking and made of stool and urine? Devata's bodies are also subtle. And spiritual Lord, the bodies are spiritual. So beautiful bodies. They're not made of all this blood, stool, urine. Sachidananda Vigraha. Ishvara Parama Krishna. Sachidananda. Not only Krishna has a body like that, even you have a body like that. Spiritual body, which is eternal and very, very beautiful. That's why when you look at the mirror, you compare with, my nose should have a little smaller. My ears, why they're like this, जानवर के जैसे. We look actually all of us look like some animal only. सबके सब हम किसी जानवर जैसे ही दिखते हैं. कोई different जानवर का ले लो, किधर fit होते हैं हम लोग. हमारा नाक इस जानवर के जैसा, कान इस जानवर के जैसा. And we are so proud. So you're not seeing spiritual bodies. If you see spiritual bodies, you look like Yamuduta then. When you see the picture of Yamuduta, they look so daring, so scary. So if you put Vishnu Dutas, suppose sitting here, we all will look like Yamudutas. Whoa, can't even sit. It looks so scary. Yeah. So anyway, so there are spiritual bodies, there is everything spiritual element is there. But if anything is beyond your realization, you should be honest about it. See, I have heard from the Shastra that if you hear Krishna's order, you'll faint. Don't say, Krishna order, you will faint if you smell it. Don't speak like that. Be truthful. Because the audience should not get confused. They should not think, आप उस प्लेटफॉर्म में हैं जब आप वहाँ नहीं हैं, है ना? अरे कृष्ण का नाम अगर इतना मिठास है, मेरे को पता है, ऐसा लगता है करोड़ों कान चाहिए. रूप गोस्वामी बोलते हैं, कृष्ण का नाम लेने के लिए या एक टंग दो कान क्या? We need millions of ears and millions of tongues to chant, है ना? Rupa Goswami says that. When you say, you should say, Rupa Goswami said, पता है, Krishna's name is so sweet. We need millions of ears. Yeah, be truthful. Is that your realization? Yes, definitely. No, then say, Rupa Goswami said that. Okay? So we should be truthful to the level of our realization. We should not make logon ko should not make a mistake, and that's cheating. Correct? We should not cheat. We came to spiritual life for truth. अब यहाँ क्या cheating होना चाहिए? We should be truthful. Correct? Spiritual life is a journey wherein we are realizing definitely, but always speak on the level of our realization. True? We should be truthful. And we should repeat what Krishna has said. We should not speak anything on our own. Therefore, preaching is actually very easy. It's not complicated. Just repeat what Krishna says. You read it, then you cross-reference to other places, try to understand and speak in your own words. That's all preaching is. Preaching is not some very difficult thing. Oh, this, that. No, it's very easy. Anybody can preach. But provided he repeats what Krishna says. That's all. And he's following regulated principles, he's chanting his rounds. Because otherwise, Avaishnava Mukho Gita, Bhuta Harikata Ahamritam, Shavanam Naiva Kartavyam, Sarpochishta Payoho Ratha. Okay? Otherwise, it will be like a poison. You are thinking you are distributing, you are Mohini Murti, you are delivering the word, but you are actually Putana, killing people. सब लोग सोचते हैं मैं तो भागवत का अमृत लोगों में दे रहा हूं, लेकिन अगर आप वैष्णव नहीं हैं, आप अमृत नहीं देते, जहर दे रहे हो, है ना? सब लोग सोचते मैं अमृत दे रहा हूं, लेकिन हो सकता है पूतने की तरह जहर बांट रहा है ना? मैं तो भागवत, सब लोग यही बोलते हैं, भागवत का अमृत दे रहा हूं लोगों को. हाँ, सभी लोग ये बोलते हैं, लेकिन हो सकता है जहर पिला रहा लोगों को, है ना? अवैष्णवा मुखो गीतम, अवैष्णव हो तो नहीं बोलना चाहिए, चुप रहो, है ना? शास्त्र में लिखा है ना, अवैष्णव के मुख से कृष्ण कथा नहीं सुनना चाहिए, है ना? तो हम लोग तो सब सोचते हैं लोगों को अमृत पिला रहे हैं, हो सकता है जहर पिला रहे हो, भक्ति भी नष्ट हो जाएगी. So we should be sincere, and as we are sincere in the lotus feet of Krishna, true, all devotees are sincere, having taken shelter of Guru and Krishna. हम लोग चाहे नहीं पिला रहे, अमृत ही पिला रहे हैं, बट अमृत का टेस्ट रहेगा अगर हम बहुत सिंसियर हो जाएंगे. We are repeating, but if we have realized the repetition is effective. पैरट की तरह नहीं. पैरट भी रिपीट करता है, बट पैरट रिपीट करता है बिना समझे, बिना without any realization. Don't do like that. Even you do like that, it is not wrong information, again correct information. Somebody says ये मंदिर कहाँ है, इधर है, तो आपने correct information दे दिया. But अगर आपको थोड़ा feeling है, just like I remember I went to Jaipur, so I asked one rickshaw wala, where is a Radha Govinda temple? गोविंद जी का मंदिर, तो सुन के खुश हो जाता है, इधर है. So when you speak with realization, it is pleasing to hear, isn't it? Otherwise, it's like an information. But it's not pleasing to hear. Pleasing to hear when you have realization. Therefore, there is a statement. When you hear, immediately Rasamat Katha Shriyaha, it's immediately a child is born. What is the shloka? No. Satam prasangadamo virya samvedo bhavanti hritkarna rasayam shriyaha. Satam prasangad, when you're hearing a session of devotee, it is fully very, very satisfying to the heart. दिल खुश हो जाता है, सुन के ही दिल खुश हो जाता है. ठीक है, जगह है तो खुश होता है. इट्स अ डुअल प्रोसेस, एक तरफ से नहीं हो सकता. टीचर भी क्वालिफाइड होना चाहिए, हियरर भी क्वालिफाइड होना चाहिए, है ना, तब काम करेगा. अब कॉलेज में गए, यार टीचर को ऐसा पढ़ाने का कि मजा आ जाए, ऐसा लोग बोलते हैं. बहुत सुना है मैंने स्टूडेंट्स को. मैंने ये प्रश्न पूछा, मणिपाल में ऐसा बोल रहे थे, तो मैंने स्टूडेंट को पूछा, कितने बजे सोया था कल तू? व्हाट टाइम यू स्लेप्ट इन द नाइट यस्टरडे? सर 3 o'clock. What you are doing? Sir, I was watching. Acha. And then 8 o'clock in the morning, you come with just 3-4 hours of sleep, and teacher has to dance to keep you alive. You'll be sleepy. You'll not be able to enjoy the class. So you keep your life pure, because unless you are in Sattva-guna, we have no capacity to absorb knowledge. Correct? The more you're in Sattva-guna, more things, difficult things also look very easy to answer. And you are in Rajoguna, Tamoguna, you have killed your brain already. Just like body. When you are healthy, you can lift 50 kilo also. When you are weak, you cannot lift 5 kilo also. True? So similarly, mind also gets injured when you break a leg, है ना? जैसे शरीर है, किसी का स्वस्थ शरीर है 100 किलो उठा लेगा, है ना? और कमजोर है 5 किलो में ही दर्द हो रहा है ना? और स्वस्थ है तो 50 किलो भी, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो सेम है, मन भी ऐसा ही है. जिसका मन स्वच्छ है, उसका मन का शक्ति बढ़ जाता है. That's why we see now Arjuna when he hearing. Now here, Shukadeva Goswami narrating is Parikshit Maharaj saying, "अरे भूल गया, क्या बोला था तुमने?" If you tell Parikshit Maharaj, can you repeat? He can repeat the whole Bhagavatam. There was a personality there hearing called Suta Goswami. He heard the Bhagavatam and he went to another place called Naimisharanya. अब ये तो उसने सुना है at यमुना पे, है ना, दिल्ली के पास सुना है सूत गोस्वामी ने. परीक्षित महाराज को वहां पे वचन हुआ था. And he went to Naimisharanya, UP, है ना, नैमिषारण्य. देखा आपने? हाँ, नहीं, थोड़ा डिस्टेंस तो है ना, दिल्ली है. हाँ, आसपास ही है, तो लेकिन डिस्टेंस तो है, थोड़ा डिस्टेंस गए, निमशार पहुंचे, नैमिषारण्य. और उधर नैमिषारण्य में क्या हुआ? He heard people asked him कि थोड़ा भागवत सुना सकते हो क्या? He started speaking, and he spoke how much? He spoke so much that 18,000 verses. हम लोग तो एक श्लोक याद नहीं कर पाते. 18,000 श्लोक. The whole conversation. Why? Mind is strong. मन बहुत शक्तिशाली, झटकोटा सा. इसलिए पहले वेदास आर कॉल्ड श्रुति. कोई लिखने की जरूरत नहीं थी. Just like I tell you 5. Say yes. I said, right, no, I'll remember 5. I said, you tell me at the end of the class 5. Yeah, I'll tell you. Correct? True. तो अब थोड़ा बोलूंगा, 624. Okay, I'll remember. No, 18,634. I'll write down. So there is a limited capacity we have. The more the mind is pure, our capacity improves. So it's very simple or not? जितना मन पवित्र होता है, उतना capacity बढ़ जाता है. It's like when you're injured, the body doesn't have any capacity. So mind, when it has bad activities or even bad thoughts, mind becomes injured. That एकाग्रमन नहीं हो पाता. व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धि ही एकेहा कुरु नंदनः, है ना भगवत गीता में. बहुशाखाय अनंतस्य बुद्धयो अव्यवसायिनाः. जैसे एक काम कर रहे हैं लेकिन मन हजार जगह है हमारा. अभी हमारा मन ऐसा है. This is called typical Kalyuga man brain is called scatter brain. What is it called? Scatter brain. It's scattered in 1,000 places. है ना? They talk about it today. Lot of most popular teachings today is called mindfulness. People can focus on what they are doing. But that automatically comes by Krishna consciousness. Krishna consciousness क्या होता है? मन पवित्र हो जाता है. कोई और चीज आपको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करती. जो आप काम कर रहे हो उसमें फोकस कर सकते हो. करेक्ट? नहीं कर पा रहे, ढंग से जप करो. आई एम नॉट एबल टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट, चैंट मोर. नो, आई एम नॉट एबल टू चैंट मोर. Chant loudly, chant attentively, chant. That much power the holy name should give you, that we can able to focus. Otherwise, how do you serve Krishna? I'm doing something and my senses are harassing, your mind is harassing. What service you are doing? That service is not pleasing to Krishna. Why I'm doing service? Service to kar rahe ho, lekin mind should be in proper stage, proper consciousness. Correct? ऐसा नहीं सर्विस हो रही. सर्विस हो रही है बट कैसे हो रही है ना? It should be properly done. Anything we should do with proper chitta, proper mood, proper consciousness. Then it is very pleasing. So, vyavasayatmika buddhi eka, we have to be fixed. Now, coming back to the shloka, these people are thinking they are competent to advise Kamsa. They are not competent. They are actually giving wrong advice. Kamsa ne to, after seeing Durga, had decided that this is wrong. He had taken pardon from Vasudeva and Devaki. He had fallen at their feet. He had cried and maafi maang li thi. Maaf kar do, mere se bahut bada paap ho gaya. Actually, he had come to some sense. But then, we do not change unless we have good company. Isliye sang bahut important hota hai. Many times it happens, hum chote bachchon ko milte hain, school, college. This we have our experience. We tell them, you should chant Hare Krishna, and they go home. Hey, ये सब जरूरत नहीं है. Immediately parents are not needed all these things. And because of the bad association, the same parents which are supposed to do good, they don't do good. होता है ना? हम लोग स्कूल कॉलेज जाते हैं, हम क्या बोलते हैं सबको? हरे कृष्ण जप करो. वो घर जाता है, हरे कृष्ण. अरे ये सब क्या कर रहे हो? आजकल 90% में अरे क्यों जप करो? कोई फायदा नहीं है सबका. And because they are giving advice, but they are not competent to give advice, they are like the friends of Kamsa. They give a wrong advice. है नहीं? ये सब जरूरत नहीं है. बेटा बुढ़ापे में देख लेना. In old age you can think all this. है ना? नहीं? ऐसा होगा नहीं होगा आजकल. बोलो हरे कृष्ण जप करो. घर में बोले अरे नहीं 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 ये सब not needed. Don't do all this thing. For old age. And they are in old age. They are not doing. They give wrong example and they give wrong advice. The same thing friends of Kamsa are doing same. Even the friends are like that. Sometimes we meet students. Many times we ask, we had a program in a college. Why you did not come? आपके कॉलेज में प्रोग्राम क्यों नहीं आया? सर फ्रेंड्स आने नहीं दे रहे थे. बोल रहे थे पागल है क्या? साधु बनना है तेरे को? ऐसे करके तंग कर रहे थे. So these friends are like, ये Kamsa के जो दोस्त हैं ना ऐसे ही हैं वो. They are thinking they can give advice. They are not competent to give advice. ना आचरण है ना वचन है. दोनों गलत है. Correct? आचरण भी गलत है of the friends of Kamsa. वचन भी गलत है of the friends of Kamsa. Correct? है ना? So we know it is wrong. So we can understand in this way that actually before giving advice, we should be competent. So therefore, all of us want to help the people in this world. First, help yourself. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says what? आपने आचार्य प्रभु के शिक्षा. जन्म सार्थ करी करो परोपकार. So first we should be merciful to जन्म सार्थ. पहले अपना जीवन सफर करो तब दूसरी दुनिया को बचाओ. है ना? कृष्णा के प्रोग्राम में आप भी हैं. दुनिया को बचा रहे पहले अपने को बचा लो. हाँ, Because you may think I'm spiritually selfish. No, spiritual selfishness is greatest benevolence also. So if I'm chanting Hare Krishna, I'm being selfish? No, because otherwise how will I preach? Let me take care of myself, then I can preach. So both should go hand in hand. One side I'm practicing spiritual life. इतना तो बोल ही सकते किसी को हरे कृष्ण जप करो उतना तो कर. But more you'll be able to speak once a year, and you will be able to speak with strength because you're following, and it will impact people. People will also listen to you. So more we are spiritually advanced, more our capacity increases to influence other people. Correct? A pure devotee, even the most sinful man, will be influenced by him. Just like our spiritual advancement is like fire. ठीक है? जो ज्वालामुखी है, one person is burning with Krishna consciousness, he will dry anything near. है ना? But we may not. There's just like Advaita Acharya, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is so powerful. He can even turn meat eaters into devotees. Why? His influence is more. When influence is less, agarbatti ki tarah, we can't preach. Kanishta Adhikari can more or less not preach. Preaching starts when you rise above Kanishta. अपना ही विश्वास में doubt आ रहा है, ये सब ठीक है क्या? Sometimes some people ask, is all is correct? Krishna is there. Then what you can preach? You're not sure yourself. When faith has increased, you can start preaching. At least you can say, chant Hare Krishna. At least that much we should have confidence by chanting. Therefore, at least the japa should be done properly. Because we can then tell, because the daily we should experience. So sweet. Therefore, japa should there is no limit how much concentration you can develop in japa. Japa time, we are not supposed to think about anything. We are supposed only to hear. It's not a physical exercise going on, Hare Krishna, exercise of the tongue. Hai na? Some time it is like exercise of the tongue. It's not exercise of the tongue. It's not background music chal raha, Hare Krishna, and you're thinking, I have to do this, I have to do that. No. Japa time, you're not supposed to think of anything. You have to go to hear. So why you hear? The target should be clear. At least I come to Satoguna. Satoguna ka आवाज होना चाहिए. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Then your target, you'll increase your concentration. Because I'm not coming. Anna, I chanted 4 rounds, already mind is disturbed. Increase the concentration. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. But there's no other way for you. Where you will go then? The mind is still disturbed. Where you will go? You will do sinful activity. Therefore, japa should be done very attentively. At least it should bring you to Satoguna. ठीक है ना? And you do very nicely japa. Then there will be definite advancement in spiritual life. Okay, and then as you have some realizations of Krishna consciousness, you can help the world. You'll not give wrong advice. Correct? Advaita will compromise. Yeah, attachments are there. How we can give up attachment? You'll speak in Krishna consciousness, or people start speaking all this nonsense. Because they are compromising. They tell others, you also compromise. Yeah, दिन में एक मूवी देख सकते हैं, क्या करें? छोड़ना बहुत मुश्किल है ना? People will start compromising because they are compromised. So they can't preach. Neither they feel like preaching. Because preaching comes when you are happy, and preaching comes when you see other person is suffering. Correct? Like a doctor. A doctor, he is himself sick. He'll not like to take care of anybody else. He wants to take rest. He cannot take care. So you should feel happy. And next thing, you should actually experience other people are suffering. Then you can preach powerfully with compassion. But in the neophyte stages, we don't have understanding the people are suffering. We feel world is very happy. Don't go to preach, very dangerous. Because instead of giving advice, you'll take advice. Correct? Suppose you go to meet somebody, he has some lot of money, he has a beautiful wife, and if you think he's successful, even in a subtle way, you cannot preach to him. आप किसी को मिलने गए, प्रचार करने गए, और वो आदमी बहुत धनी है, और उसका बहुत सुंदर बीवी है. आप इन दोनों से आकर्षण हो गया, आप प्रचार करने नहीं जाओ, बेटर है. बिकॉज आपको प्रचार करने की जगह आप उससे यू शुड नो कॉन्फिडेंस शुड बी वो दुखी है, ये सब होने के बावजूद भी वो दुखी है, तब प्रचार करो. अदरवाइज व्हाट प्रचार यू डू? यू विल जस्ट फ्लैटर, है ना? And you will hear what he speaks, because You always hear submissively to person you think he is successful. You hear very submissively to him. Even he doesn't have to speak. You will see his body language, his movement, and you lose your bhakti. Bhogaisharya prasaktana taya aprahita chetasa vyavasayatika samadhona vidhiyate. Correct? Vyavasayatika buddhi sama. When bhoga and aishwarya are distracting people, they cannot preach. They cannot fix their mind on Krishna. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's first example you can follow in the beginning in the house of Shiva's. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was doing Harinam, doors closed. The beginning, we ourselves relish Krishna consciousness sufficiently. When Udara met Maitreya, he was relishing sufficiently. When he was totally satisfied, then he came out. To some degree, we should be satisfied in Krishna consciousness to come out to preach. So therefore, not in the initial, when we are attracted by this, when we think these things are success of life, what preaching we are doing? We are not fit to preach. We will do wrong preaching. है ना? हाँ, ये सब भी होने का. You will speak some nonsense. Because mind is such, it justifies your stage of consciousness. So mind will justify all the, yeah, ये भी थोड़ा चलता है. You can enjoy. So then you're not actually able to preach. And neither the person will benefit at all from your preaching. Correct? Benefit is when you're on a higher level. When you're on a lower level, what you'll preach? At least he's working hard all day, he's busy. He may be in Rajaguda, maybe in Sadhu dress, he may be in Tamoguda. हम दिन में 24 घंटे में 16 घंटा सोते हैं. And full day I can think of a woman. Possible, because I am free. That man at least is busy. He cannot do that. है ना? कोई ऑफिस में काम कर रहा है, बिजी रहता है. नहीं, काम में बिजी रहता है अपना. मैं तो फ्री हूँ, साधु तो फ्री है. So sadhu, has to be so careful because freedom is very dangerous. है ना? If he is misusing that freedom, he can go below a common man in the street. And then in a matter of time, Krishna will force you to become a common man. So we should keep ourselves busy. We should know we are taken a great holy role in the society. People look at us as a holy person. है ना? लोग साधु को देखते हैं, ऐसा ऐसा करते हैं, ऐसा ऐसा पता नहीं क्या क्या लोग करते हैं, बहुत नमस्कार करते हैं, है ना? So we should be holy in the heart. We should keep our day fully pure and very engaged. People are working 8 hours and 8 hours, they can do maximum sadhana. We can do 16 hours, we can do serving Krishna. 16. 8 hours, everybody is bathing, sleeping, gone. For us, 16 hours a day, double time we are getting to serve Krishna. People are not getting more than 8 hours. 8 hours छोड़ दो, 1 घंटा भी नहीं मिलता लोगों को. Mostly I see in congregation, if they can chant their round and read 1 hour, that is full stop. They cannot do any sadhana more than that. But you're supposed to do 8 hours sadhana. They're not even doing that. है ना? 16 माला हो जाए और 1 घंटा श्वास पढ़ ले, इतना ही full stop हो जाता है congregation के लिए. है ना? Actually, they are supposed to spend 8 hours for sadhana. For work 8 hours, for body 8 hours. But 8-hour work, body 8 hour, and then 7-hour news. है ना? लोग का टाइम उधर ही निकल जाता है. क्या हुआ, क्या लेटेस्ट स्कोर हुआ, वो 2 लाख भी क्रॉस हो गया, वह उधर ही, और वही डिस्कस करा लोगों से, कब करा, उसी में जिंदगी निकल जाती. But they should improve it and come to 8 hours of sadhana. And for devotees, 16 hours sadhana and service to Krishna. They got 16 hours. They should not waste one. They should say every day, calculate how many hours of sadhana service I did. And it should be properly divided. 8 hours of sadhana, 8 hours of service. Then it is proper balance because your body and mind also needs engagement. We cannot artificially say, okay, I'll chant for 16 hours. Yeah, you can do, but really artificial. And it's another misfortune if you do not know the service purifies. Sometimes we think only chanting will purify, only reading will purify. No, service purifies. Okay, we should be aware. So service is also purifying. Sometimes we make mistake. We think, oh no, only purifying thing is my sadhana. Oh, that those people when they get to keep chanting, no, service is also very purifying. And actually it is needed at this stage. Just like Prabhupada says for Arjuna. Arjuna thought I can go to the forest and chant. Prabhupada said, no, chanting should also be there and working should also be there. Correct? कुछ लोग सोचते मैं खाली जप करूंगा 16 घंटे, जपा भी करने का, काम भी करने का. करेक्ट? भक्तों को तो एक भाग्य है, वो काम भी कृष्णा का ही करता है. That is the fortune of a bhakta. He is serving also Krishna. Correct? Normal person has to go or do some work in office which is not connected to Krishna. Correct? But fortune of a devotee is 16 hours he can be with Krishna in sadhana and service. Sometimes I think only sadhana I do. No. Some people say only service I do. No. Balance. तराजू में balance होना चाहिए, है ना? Both sides should be there. Then we feel very happy, very healthy. Just like materially also, when people are busy, they are very happy. होता है ना? कोई ऑफिस में बिजी होता है, बहुत बिजी हो, because खुशी नहीं. Similarly, when we are developing some, not only we are busy, we should developing some service to Krishna. We feel very, very happy. Okay, so Kamsa's associates are actually spoiling whatever little he got. So if you do not change our company, because I gave that example, बहुत टाइम लोगों को जेल में बंद करा जाता है, जब कुकर्म करते हैं, है ना? 6 महीना 1 साल का जेल मिलता है. जब बाहर आते हैं वही कुकर्म शुरू करते हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज उनका संग नहीं बदलता, वही संगी है, वही जेब कतरों का संगी है, तो फिर जेब कतरा पड़ता है ना? वो जेब कतरा करता है, गलत काम करता है, जेल में डाल दिया जाता है, 1 साल 2 साल वहां रहता है, वहां फैमिली से अलग, बहुत दुखी होके वापस आता है, दोबारा नहीं करूंगा. लेकिन घर आता है, उसके बाद मैं बिल्कुल नहीं करूंगा, फिर शाम को वही दोस्तों के साथ बैठ जाता है, एंड फिर वही जेब कतरा बन जाता है ना? देखा नहीं? जब तक संग नहीं बदलता, आदमी नहीं बदलता. Unless we change our company, we will not change as a person. Agree? A very, very another good example. It happened when America, I gave previously, but it's connected here. When America went for Vietnam War, many soldiers became drug addicts. So it was thought when they'll come back to the country, they'll be millions of drug addicts. It did not happen. Why? When they came back home, company changed. Their family. Correct? अमेरिका के लोग एक बार युद्ध में गए थे, वियतनाम वॉर, तो उधर क्या हुआ, सारे दारूबाज बन गए, ड्रग एडिक्ट बन गए. तो लोगों ने सोचा वापस देश में आएंगे सब ड्रग एडिक्ट्स आ जाएंगे. नहीं, घर आए बदल गए. क्यों? घर में संग अलग था, है ना? संग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो जब तक अपना हम संग नहीं बदलेंगे, भक्ति नहीं प्रगति होगी. देखो चैतन्य महाप्रभु से असत संग त्यागा ए वैष्णव आचार, श्री राधा गोविंद की. तो आप ऐसा कैसे करेंगे? ऑफिस में जाएंगे तो असत का तो संग होता ही है. असत का क्या मतलब है? स्त्री संगी है का कृष्ण भक्त आ रहा. जो नास्तिक आदमी है और जो स्त्री का संग का इच्छा करता है, वो असत है ना? तो ऐसे ही लोग हैं, चारों तरफ वही लोग हैं. उनका मोबाइल देखो, लड़की का फोटो देखते रहते पूरा दिन, है ना? वो सत नहीं है, असत है, और कृष्ण को नहीं मानता, तो उसका संग नहीं करने का मना किया शास्त्र ने. लेकिन वही लोग हैं तो क्या है, उसको इज्जत नहीं करते. संग तो करोगे, हाँ कैसे हो, ठीक हो, खाना खाया, खुश हो, लेकिन संग नहीं करो उससे. इज्जत कैसे संग बचोगे? इज्जत नहीं, दिल में इज्जत नहीं, है ना? जो इंद्रिय भोगी है उसको इज्जत नहीं करने का. इज्जत नहीं करोगे तो आपको कंटामिनेट नहीं करता. अगर इज्जत करोगे तो अपनी बीमारी आप में डाल देगा. Is it that point is clear? Suppose you respect somebody who is a sense gratifier, he will put his disease on you, put his heart disease on you, Hridaya Rog. There is a disease in the heart. How does it go? If you hear somebody submissively, it goes. Good or bad, both goes. So we should not respect somebody whose life is not pure. किसका जीवन पवित्र नहीं है, उसको इज्जत नहीं देने का. तो आप संग से बचो. Correct? Somebody's life is impure. He's a drunkard, woman hunter. He talks to you. How nice the drinking is. And you're respecting him. That desire will come in your heart. I also want to drink. I want to drink. But suppose knowledge will not help. If you're respecting him, finished. If you're not respecting him, suppose somebody you don't respect, किसी का इज्जत नहीं करते हो. जैसे कभी-कभी बच्चों को बोलते रहते हैं, 10 घंटे सुनते नहीं है. क्यों? इज्जत नहीं करते. अगर इज्जत करेंगे तो एक-एक शब्द उनके दिल में जाएगा. नहीं, सच है नहीं. कोई इज्जत करते हैं, वो आपको एक लाइन भी बोलेगा, आप उसको फॉलो करोगे, है ना? किसी को इज्जत नहीं करते, यहां से सुनोगे, यहां से निकाल दोगे. ठीक है ना? Same with spiritual side also. When you respect somebody, he can give you Krishna in a moment. लवमात्र साधु संगा सर्व सिद्धि होय. आचार्य का एक शब्द से भक्ति बन सकता है. एक शब्द. He doesn't need to speak for hours. One word. Surrender to Krishna. And if you respect him, over. One line of them. You don't have to speak so much. You don't have to speak one line of them. But the provided the person respects you. So we should develop therefore respect. So society we are going, there are people. We should be careful. Asat person, we should be careful in association. Therefore, we are living in temple. Why we are living in temple? We're keeping away from association of asat people. That's all. We can also live somewhere in the hotel and all, in some house. No, we are living out. Why we are keeping ourselves away from society? Asat sangha, because generally asat sangha. Because otherwise, every moment I have to evaluate. Why is it we are abhi mandir ke andar hai, we are not wearing mask? Because these are all people don't have disease. इनको बीमारी नहीं है. But बाहर जाते मास्क लेके जाते हैं. Correct? क्यों? बीमारी हो सकती है. Same way when you go into society, you have to be alert. You have to put a mask. I can get infected. I have to be very, very careful. But among devotees, yeah, peace. है ना? When you come home, you remove. घर में मास्क पहन के क्या बैठना? अपने ही family members है ना? So when you go to society, we have to be very, very careful. So very carefully, you should cultivate Krishna consciousness, and then we can benefit. Like friends of Kamsa, they're thinking they're benefiting Kamsa, actually they are harming Kamsa. है ना? Only harming. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki. Yeah. Hare Krishna. Thank you everybody for joining.